Still missing hidden debris and plaque? Too strong? Too uncomfortable? Tired of stopping mid-floss? Just to refill again, and again? Meet the usmile C30. Remove 99.99% of plaque, even where brushes and floss can't reach. Adjust from gentle care to deep power. Safe for sensitive gums. An upgraded water tank for one complete clean. No interruptions. Effective for a deeper clean. Always on the go? Take the usmile C30 with you. Portable, lasting cleaning wherever life takes you. Stay confident at work. Stay fresh at home. The usmile C30 offers total peace of mind. Fully waterproof for shower use. Clean with complete confidence. It's the care you can trust every single time. usmile C30. One full clean, anywhere.